Welcome to the XCPA channel. So this video is about addressing a question that a client has actually asked us recently. He has quit his job and he's now an independent contractor. So what do I do as an independent contractor? So there'll be 6 questions that we'll be addressing. Number 1, how do I report my income? Number 2, what can I deduct? Number 3, can I deduct car expenses? Number 4, what about home office expenses? Number 5, how do I pay my taxes and when do I have to pay? Number 6, you have any additional advice? So please stay tuned. So the first question, how do I report my income? So as an independent contractor, typically you will want to decide whether you want to form an LLC and report your income under the LLC under a separate EIN number or a tax ID number. It's employer's identification number. Or if you don't have that, then you most likely will have to submit a W-9 with your social security number. So what the company would do is you will receive a 1099 NEC beginning of next year, most likely January, for all the payments that you receive from this company. So in short, as an independent contractor, you will receive 1099 NEC copies for the income that you earn during the year. How do you report it? You typically will report it under your Schedule C, which is part of your 1040 personal tax return. Now, second question, what can I deduct? Deductions. Deductions is powerful because deductions will be able to reduce your taxable income, therefore reduce the tax liability and what you will owe the IRS. Hence, understanding deductions is important. So you might want to actually check out this checklist that we've compiled that give you examples of different types of deductions. You might also want to check out this video that I've recorded of what are deductible business expenses. And in short, any deductions or expenses that you incur that's related to your 1099 income is actually deductible expenses. They will have to be ordinary and necessary part of your business or your 1099 activities. For example, if you're a painter, then what is directly deductible obviously is the paint. Like you have to purchase the paint in order to do the paint job. So this is one example. Third, can I deduct car expenses? Absolutely. Any trips that you take to visit the clients or even to shop for supplies, those are directly related to business, therefore is direct expenses that's deductible. Now, if you want to check out more about auto deductions, we actually have all this series of different types of scenarios. What is direct car expenses, what's indirect auto deductions. Please check them out because they are really useful information. Next, we talk about how can I claim home office expenses. So typically, if you're an independent contractor, you have a home office, especially when you are just starting your business. Most of the time, your home office is actually the principal place of your business because you do a lot of work there. Therefore, home office deductions is critical for a lot of independent contractors. Now, we have also recorded this particular video to actually analyze and give you tips of how do you maximize your home office deduction. So please check them out too. How often do I need to pay taxes? That's actually quarterly taxes that's due April 15, June 15, September 15, and January 15. Now for this year 2020, because of the winter storm, all this tax deadline is actually pushed to June 15. In other words, you only have to pay your first quarter and second quarter taxes on June 15. Therefore, it will buy you some more time in order to pay these taxes. But technically, what you need to do is you need to look at the amount of profit and therefore your taxable income and how much taxes you have to pay every quarter. And if you want to check out how to calculate those quarterly taxes, please watch this video that we have developed for you. Now, the last question is, do you have any advice, Charlene, in terms of managing or better manage my tax position? Well, I think, managing a tax position is important because that's part of ensuring success of your business so that you do not or you avoid any cash flow issues all the time. So planning is critical. And how do you do that? We believe in proactive tax planning. Proactive tax planning literally means that you have to manage your tax position by understanding what's your taxable profit, what's your taxable income, and decide if you want to maximize the deductions or do deferral or income shifting in order to maximize tax savings. If you want to know more, please check out this video about proactive, successful tax planning steps that you should consider. I know this is a lot to chew, and to be quite honest with you, this video is developed specifically actually for one of our clients that recently actually started an independent contracting business. And thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please reach out. We would love to help. Please like, share, and subscribe. We put a lot of effort, our sweat and blood into these videos, and we'll appreciate if you could subscribe and give us the support. Thank you so much. We'll see you again. Goodbye.